In the calm before the storm, the Golden Boat Lift stands ready, merging simplicity with durability and the highest quality. Power loss is a reality in coastal areas struck by hurricanes and tropical storms. But when the unexpected happens, the Golden Boat Lift ensures you're prepared. With just a cordless drill, you can raise or lower your boat, even in a blackout caused by a major storm or something as simple as a blown outlet or fuse. This innovation ensures safety and accessibility no matter the conditions. In times of need, this simple feature could become a lifeline, facilitating rescue efforts and aiding in the swift rebuilding of communities. After Hurricane Ian, this simple feature allowed owners of Golden Boat Lifts the ability to get their vessels in the action, speeding up rescue operations and the recovery of Fort Myers, while other boats were stranded on their lifts requiring electricity. Golden Boat Lifts, when it's done right, it's golden.